Hey YouTubers, ever wondered how the pros create those seamless jaw-dropping animations in their videos? Do your transitions feel choppy, or are you simply looking for a way to take your editing skills to the next level? Today, I'm going to reveal a secret weapon in CapCut PC that'll make your videos look super polished and professional. Stick around because I'll guide you step by step on how to use keyframes to transform your content into something truly extraordinary. Let's dive in. All right, let's get started. First things first, keyframes are an essential part of any animation. They define the starting and ending points of any movement or effect in your video, ensuring smooth transitions. Step 1. Import your video. To begin, import your video into CapCut PC. Next, select the clip you want to animate on the timeline by simply dragging your footage onto the timeline. Step 2. Add your keyframe. Head over to Video and then Basic. Here you'll find the option to add a keyframe. Click on the Add Keyframe button to set your starting point. I'm also adding a second keyframe to zoom into a specific part of my video. To do this, move the playhead to where you want the zoom to end and add another keyframe. Now, let's fine-tune. Select the second keyframe and use the zoom function to focus on your desired area. You can see how the video smoothly zooms in from the first keyframe to the second. Want to zoom out? Easy. Add a third keyframe where you want the zoom out to start. Adjust it just like before and watch how the transition flows seamlessly. Once you're satisfied with your keyframes and animations, play back your video to ensure everything looks perfect. Adjust the keyframes if needed to get the ideal transition. And there you have it, folks. You've just learned how to use keyframes in CapCut PC to create stunning animations for your YouTube videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.